Do you want to be able to know exactly how to use the DeepSeek app on your phone? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to use the DeepSeek AI app. And this is very great if you're a beginner to this. So as you can see, I'm currently on the DeepSeek app right now. So what you need to do firstly is to of course create your account, and I have already created my account. So if you haven't done so already, you will be able to see a bunch of options. For example, if you have a Google account, you can just click on sign in with Google, and it's going to take you like a couple of seconds, and then you will be able to create your account through Google on DeepSeek, and then you should be taken to this page. Now, if you have used ChatGPT before, by the way, it's going to be really similar to this, at least in my opinion, because you can just click on message DeepSeek, and here as you can see, and then we can just write, let's see what we can write actually. What's the best vacation place? Let's see if they can actually answer this. I mean, it's a very like random like question, I guess, but as you can see, it actually gives us a really good answer in my opinion. So as you can see, for relaxation it gives Maldives and Bora Bora, as you can see. For adventure, New Zealand and Costa Rica. For culture and history, Italy and Japan. Sorry for laughing, I think it's great answers, to be honest. For food and drink, France and Thailand. I mean, yeah, I guess. I mean, kind of weird they didn't include Italy in this one, to be honest. In my opinion, for food and drink, Italy should be in that for sure. But yeah, France and Thailand, as you can see, for nature and scenery, Iceland, Switzerland, yeah, it gives pretty decent answers, to be honest. It's not perfect, it's far from perfect. Obviously, it's preferences, like this food and drink thing. It's preference. I would say that Italy, in my opinion, have to be like up there. But in general, it works very good. It gives, like, if you compare this one to ChatGPT, if you've been using ChatGPT, I would say that DeepSeek actually gives better answers, slightly better answers. That's just my opinion, so don't take it like face value. But in my opinion, DeepSeek is a bit better. So as you can see, this is basically what you need to do. You can just write whatever you want to be able to write, and it's going to give you an answer in here. And you can even, for example, message them like, why didn't you include Italy in food and drinks? Let's see what it's going to write. This is interesting, actually. Why didn't you include Italy? You're absolutely right. Italy must. Yeah, exactly. As you can see, it writes as Italian food, like popular Italian food and drinks. So yeah, as you can see, you can just write whatever you want to be able to write, and you can also like make it like write better, more advanced. It works very similar to ChatGPT, so you can just play around with it. But this is basically exactly how to use DeepSeek on your phone.